The impact on SEO when it comes to AI and Google AI overviews. Now, Google just released their latest article, which is on May 21, 2025. Now, if I look at this, there's a bunch of tutorial and content, lot of content going on right here. Now, I'll link this article in the description. Make sure you check that out. But yeah, so I have simplified what it means basically. So we're gonna go through one by one. All right. Now, before I summarize all of this, I want to show you AI SEO Writer. The link will be in the description. It's free and you can check that out. Okay. So the first thing Google AI expects you in terms of SEO is prioritize unique and people first content. So Google's core advice hasn't changed, like create original helpful content that fulfills people needs. So simply they're indirectly saying you need to optimize it for specific search intent rather than going broad or keyword stuffing. Okay, so deep expertise is what Google is expecting from a bloggers or SEO blog writers. Proprietary data and unique problem solving approaches are especially valuable in AI driven search. Now AI can only give iterate or read your content, text content, paragraphs or whatever list points you have. But if you made a table like how to be unique from all other blog writers in your niche, you can create tables, you can create infographics, which also increases user engagement. So where users ask longer, more specific questions and expect detailed answers. Okay, so for the good way to get all the more specific intent questions is going to answerthepublic.com by Neil Patel, SEO expert. And you can go there, or you can also go into the AI SEO Writer and simply you chat with our AI assistant inside this tool whenever you're writing a blog article inside AI SEO Writer editor. So the next thing what Google expects you is ensure excellent page experience. Now, even the best content fails if it lives on a poor page. Now, this is true because the page load and the user experience. So let's just say you fill it with ads or nonsense bunch of lead magnets, then it's it disrupts the page experience, right? So make sure pages load quickly, display well on all devices, optimize it, and have clear uncluttered navigation. Navigation is also important. Users should be able to immediately identify the main content. A fast mobile friendly layout and clear content structure benefit both classic AI enhanced search visitors. Okay, so that's what basically they're saying when it comes to providing great page experience. Now the third thing Google expects you from in terms of SEO is follow technical SEO fundamentals. Your site must meet Google's basic requirements so AI features can see it. So don't block Google bot. So if you did, make sure you check the robots.txt, ensure pages written and make sure it returns HTTP 200 status. If there is any 404, try to redirect it to home page or lead magnet page and have an indexable content. Always check what are the number of pages indexed, number of blocks you have written, number of unindexed pages. In practice, this means setting up sitemaps and robots.txt properly, avoiding broken links and resolving crawl errors. So satisfying these requirements makes your content eligible for inclusion in both regular search and new AI search. And the fourth thing you need to master SEO in 2025 is control search previews. Use Google snippet controls to manage how your content appears in the search results. Now you can actually do this by rank math plugin. So it shows you the preview. Apply attributes like no index, no snippet or max snippets. Lets you restrict what AI overview and AI mode can display. Now this is like a back engineering. Like you can apply attributes like lets you can restrict for AI overview so that it doesn't pull your content and show it to the users. And when it not show it to the users in the AI overviews, it actually shows the web links, right? You'll eventually get into SERP. And AI mode can display. Okay, be aware that strict controls may exclude content from AI summaries, while looser settings allow your content to be featured in rich AI generated snippets. Now you can do it goes both ways, guys. It goes both ways. So the next thing you need to keep in mind is align structured data with visible content. If you use a schema markup, right? Schema database, FAQ, schemas, make sure every piece of markup information is visible on the page. Follow Google structured data guidelines and validate your markup. Properly implemented structured data can help Google's AI understand your content, make it eligible for rich snippet results, but mismatches or hidden content can lead to penalties. Okay, so that's what they have. Make sure structured data matches with the visible content they have written over here, and you can actually, it's very easy. There are a lot of schema generators. You can check that out. And this is the important thing you need to know. Leverage images, video, and up-to-date listings. Google's AI search supports multimodal queries, photos, and screenshots. Okay, enhance your pages with the high-quality images and videos so they can serve as sources for AI-driven answers. Also, keep your Google Merchant Center product feeds and business profiles details current. What they mean is consistent. Accurate businesses and product info helps AI overview surface the right details about your offerings. Now, I will write something right here. Google loves updates. Okay, consistent updates. So I'm just forgot. So yeah, Google loves consistent updates. So the blog writers who consistently updates the blog articles or can take leverage in 2025 when it comes to ranking in SEO and improving your rankings. So with that being said, this tool, the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. With that being said, I made a 1-hour tutorial how to write blog articles. You can click on the video showing on the screen.